Hi, this is Michael, and I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite vegetable dishes. First of all, I have a scan pan here. The scan pan is a really nice pan. This is the largest pan that they make. It's about 12.5 inches, so I can cook a lot of veggies in here. But when I start my veggies, I'm going to start here by adding mushrooms. So I'm going to cut up the mushrooms. I'm going to peel the garlic. Oh, I'm going to peel the garlic here and smash it before I peel it to easily get the outer cover off of it. And then I'm going to cut the onion up. I'm going to dice up the peppers. I'm going to make some very thin slices of the cabbage. I'm going to add some greens here and some zucchini, either yellow or green zucchini. I'm going to add asparagus, and I'm going to let those all cook. And when I cook it up, I'm going to put it on my back burner because the back burner burns slower. It won't burn the food. It's a slow cook. I'm going to cook it with a little bit of olive oil, and if I need to, I may add water into it. At the very end, I'll add some tomatoes and even some maybe some powder greens or the baby arugula. When I serve it, I'm going to serve it with asparagus and maybe some of these sauerkraut or kimchi. And before I eat, I usually will take the Bravo probiotics, the Presidium, and maybe some enzymes, the Vitalzyme enzymes or the Rock Rain enzymes.